Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download CHIRPS precipitation data using Earth Map, in just a few clicks. Alright, to get started, we need to filter and define our study area using the navigation options on the screen. For this demonstration, I'm going to set my location to Malawi, and then refine it down specifically to the Kasungu district. Perfect. Once you've selected your region, go ahead and zoom in on the map interface to get a clear, focused view of your study area. Now, let's head over to the data controls. Scroll down the panel on the left until you find the climate category, click to expand it, and then scroll down a bit further until you spot precipitation. Go ahead and check that box to activate the CHIRPS layer. A new configuration window will pop up right here, allowing you to select your exact date range, whether you need data for a single month, a full year, or a multi-year trend. Once you've set your start and end dates, click the download arrow at the top corner of the window. Earth Map will process the request, and your precipitation dataset will begin downloading straight to your computer. And that is all it takes. Be sure to watch my next video, where I'll take this downloaded data into our GIS software and show you step by step how to turn it into a high-quality precipitation map for your study area. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.